My presentation for this assignment is the analysis of Lapetus solutions, and here are my contents. I will start with introducing the background of the company, and then I will give some analysis of the business model canvas of the company, and last, I will introduce the value proposition design. Lapetus Solutions integrate science and technology with machine learning to develop tools and platforms that enable industries relying on live event prediction to reduce and replace their dependency on traditional assessment methods with faster, more cost-effective, and increasingly accurate results. By combining life science, sensory analytics, and dynamic questioning to provide real-time insights into an individual's health status and longevity, as well as to examine risks within specific groups, their tools also combine to form the basis of three breakthrough customer engaged platforms, delivering full customizable end-to-end solutions for the life insurance and financial planning industries. The team in the company is comprised of internationally recognized scientists in their fields, including biodemography, facial recognition, health, aging, and data science. Working together and drawing from the data and the research of thousands of global experts, they leverage the power of artificial intelligence to more accurately predict life events in real time, including mortality, morbidity, and healthy lifespan. Now, let's take a look at the business model canvas. As we have known, there are 9 parts in a business model canvas. There are key partnership, key activities, key resources, value proposition, customer relationship, channels, customer segments, cost structure, and revenue stream. And I will give some detailed introduction to each element in this business model canvas. So first, let's take a look at the infrastructure part. The first component consists of key partnerships. One of the most important partners of the company should be Amazon Web Service, AWS. They need the computing and storing resource from AWS to store their massive data and to train and test their model for the product. Besides, they also collaborate with Smile, smoking indication and lifestyle estimation for data collection. Smile is able to enhance smoking validation and be used in the future to identify chronic diseases including diabetes, heart disease, and dementia. It supports the global expansion of their predictive algorithms, helps their facial analytics engine accounts for differences in populations across the globe, and represents a gently forward in future ability to detect and predict fetal diseases and disabling health conditions. Last, the company maintained a partnership with some life insurance companies to launch innovative websites to produce a life insurance quote based on the selfie photo. The second ones are key activities. First of all, the company should be able to offer different types of products to the customers. For example, they currently offer the life sciences and sensory analytics tools with many functions, including face age recognition, healthy life expectation, BMI calculation, makeup detection, and so on. Besides, they also provide a platform called Janus, which helps life insurance engage today's generation of mobile-enabled customers in the online quote, applications, and purchase process. Besides, Janus returns highly accurate gender, age, and BMI estimates from the analysis of a simple selfie, which can be used by carriers with engagement, approval, or product development activities. Last, they also need the ability of problem solving for both building the product and for their customers. And the last ones are key resources. To start with, Lapetus solutions need great human resource, which are experts in software engineering, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence to build reliable product and design proper products for different needs. Besides, they also need some intellectual resource like patents and copyrights to protect their rights and products. The offering includes a value proposition, which is a collection of products and services a business offers to meet the needs of its customers. The value proposition for Lapetus is to provide faster, more accurate, and more accessible live event prediction service. Then let's move on to the customer components. For customer relationship and the customer channel, it should be both online, which means they mainly interact with their customers online and they distribute their product, which is the app, tools, and platforms online. Besides, the customer segments include both industries, including life insurance, health insurance, financial services, public health, cosmetics, and plastic surgery, and the individuals. The last section in the business model canvas is about the finance. The first one is the cost structure. Lapetus is cost driven, which means it will try to maintain the low cost of the company. It also has variable costs because their costs vary depending on the amount of production of the products and services. And the second part is the revenue stream. The Lapetus solutions can obtain the revenue by collaborating with the life insurance companies. Besides, they can also gain the usage fee for the platforms and tools online. The company should be able to maintain a recurrent revenue because it is very likely that many of the customers will use their products for a long time, so they will come back and back. In this last part, I'm going to talk about the value proposition design. While the value proposition is the collection of products and services a business offers to meet the needs of its customers, it includes a large range of all the customers. But we know that the company has its main customers. The main customer of Lapetus solutions should be the many individuals that need health event predictions. The value proposition for the main customers contains three parts, including sensor analytics, life science, and dynamic questioning. Using the sensory analytics, it is able to examine an individual's physical features to determine longevity, health status, and disease susceptibilities. The life science combining decades of longevity research with biodemography at the core, specifically covariates linked to longevity are identified and predicted algorithms are generated. And the dynamic questioning can scientifically formulate questions that change according to the response, provide more insight and accuracy into individuals' longevity than standardized questionnaires. That's all. Thank you.